Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to install the Rust in Ubuntu system using the Rust app. Okay, so first of all you have to run this command. Open your terminal and run this installer. Okay, so Control Shift T, Control CD. I'm going to run this and hit enter. Downloading installer. Okay, so you have to go with press 1, the basic installation. Error, bash profile could not write RC file, bash permissions denied. Let's go with root part. Su sudo su. I think it will work. Yeah. Now I'm going to paste this command and let's run it. 1, enter. So here you can see that the install because permission is not able to that user, so I'm going to go with the root user. Okay, after this installation, here you can see let's downloading the component and everything. Let's take a look. After this we have to verify the installation. Rustup will install the Rust C cargo and the Rust standard library. Add the rest to the path if not already added, so we have to run this command, then we will confirm the installation by adding these versions. That's source usually done by running one of the following under .NET. This is usually done by running on the following node with this one. Okay, so what we have to do with this source home cargo.env. Yeah, I need to run this. Okay, let's do the verification. Rust version, which Rust version we are using? It's 1.88. And which cargo version we have? Like this. So everything is installed perfectly. So this is how the Rust is installed. Now in the next video we are going to create a new app to check it's working or not. So in the next video, let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.